Hey everyone, this is Professor Eskew. I just wanted to show you how to do the extra credit opportunity. So if you come into our class, you'll notice that there's a new item called extra credit assignment. Click on that. Then this is the opportunity. So what this is a personality test. It's based on Carl Jung's personality test, which actually he ultimately worked with Myers and Briggs, and they actually ended up having their own personality test. But it all started with Carl Jung back in the early 20s. So I list all of the different 16 personality types, and what I'm asking you to do is this. I'm asking you to take this URL, copy and paste it into your browser, take the personality test. It's about 16 questions. After you do that, it'll come up with one of your 16 personality types, and you'll be able to click on your specific type and read about it. I would encourage you to read a couple others just to see how yours reacts or interacts with others. Once you do that and take some notes on that, I want you to answer these 3 questions. So, do you believe that the test accurately assessed your personality? Knowing and understanding your personality type, how is that helpful with interactions socially, at work, your personal relationships and friendships? And then how does your personality impact the way that you are a decision maker and how you approach completing projects and tasks in the workplace, especially in a team setting where you'll have all of these different personalities? Okay? To answer all of those things, all you do is click on this, and this takes you to the upload. So here again, you have till September 30th. It's worth 10 points. Here's the information again. And so you can do it a couple ways. You can either create a Word document and answer those questions, save it on your USB or your hard drive, and you can just click browser and upload it from your computer. The other way you can do it is you can actually come down here in the comments sections. I would suggest copying paste these questions. Come down here. And then you can just make sure that they're all pretty. And then answer the questions. Once you do that, either attach it or answer the questions. What I would suggest is if you type them in, I would click Save Draft first, then let it save it, and then click Submit. And once you've clicked Submit, then you will have submitted the assignment. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will post this in the announcement section as well as in this section here. Have a great day. We'll see you.